We've all been there. You're binge-watching Instagram stories when suddenly one of your overzealous friends comes up with a story that's 50 clips long. So you start tapping through the slides. Oh my goodness, how many clips are in here? Well, tap no more. If you happen to come across one of these painfully long Instagram stories and would rather just skip it altogether, simply slide your finger across the screen from right to left, and you'll skip the whole story with one quick swipe. This feature has been around for a while, but many people still don't seem to know it exists. We hope this saves you some tapping time. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the thumbs up button below and subscribe to our channel. We put out great new tech tutorials like this one twice a week, every Tuesday and Thursday.